about to head out to Clearwater right now. Everybody's getting dressed. We're about to go jet skiing. We got this really nice restaurant and we're about to take you on that journey, so stay tuned.
We at Jimmy's Fish House. Clearwater Beach.
Our whole truck is packed.
Clear your own water. Who?
We caught an iguana. Oh, nice. Thank you. Nice. So. Thank you.
You really want a plate? This plate. You gotta go like this. Seriously? Why? Why you say that? Let's go look. You know the first stuff here. No, I don't
Hi guys! We just put on our contacts because we can't wear our glasses to go in the ocean. Oh, ocean? He's wearing the hoochies though. He's wearing the hoochies. He's brave. I can't. I've never seen a girl jet ski with the dress on. Oh yeah, Sarah has a dress on. This is good. Sarah has a dress on. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Yo, he's crazy. No. This is so fun. Thank you guys so much for watching to the end of our video. Don't forget to like, comment, and turn on that notification bell so you get notified every time we drop a new video. So, hope you guys stay safe and enjoy the rest of your day.